We all wonder what is in our hot tub water and plumbing. Is it safe? Is it truly clean and pristine? Water appears to be just fine, but take a closer look and look what you can't see with the naked eye. Unwanted bacteria buildup in an overwhelming amount is hidden behind the walls of every hot tub in the pipes and plumbing. This bacteria is also protected by a layer of organic scum that shields it from your current chlorine or bromine sanitizers, rendering them ineffective at completely cleaning your hot tub. You truly don't know what you're soaking in, even if you're sinking a lot of money into your WaterCare. This is where Hot Tub Serum's 2-part Total Clean WaterCare system takes over. With its nano-scrubbing molecules, it dislodges, disrupts, and removes 100% of these hidden unwanted bacteria deposits instantly. With a weekly dose of serum, you prevent the regrowth and reoccurrence of this bacteria buildup until your next purge. Continuous use of serum eliminates this unchallenged and unrelenting threat, giving you cleaner and safer water and extending the life of your hot tub by improving its performance. Hot Tub Serum Total WaterCare System starts with Part 1. Our Total Cleanse Gel Concentrate provides the initial total cleaning of your hot tub's pipes and plumbing, returning your hot tub to a state better than factory delivered. This concentrated gel product is good for 2 complete purges, followed by Part 2, our total maintenance product that provides 3 to 6 months of weekly maintenance, keeping your hot tub simple to maintain and leaving you more time to enjoy. See what our customers are experiencing with the Hot Tub Serum Total WaterCare System. Try it for yourself today. You will be amazed by the results. Hot Tub Serum Total WaterCare System, the all-natural, scientifically conceived cure to all of your hot tub water care woes. The one and only true cure for peace of mind and pure hot tub enjoyment when it comes to managing hot tub water care. Remember, Hot Tub Serum Total Water Care gets it clean and keeps it clean.